Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be looking at this drone from Temu. This was free from the Fishland game. It's the E88 Pro, never heard of it. But it's got a camera on it. And it says here, HD camera drone, dual camera, real time, I don't know. 2.4 gigahertz, HD lens. This is quite cool. I'm not sure how much this is meant to be. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, I got it for free from Fishland. If you want to see other videos on stuff I got for free from Temu, go check them out. As well as this, I got on this game of Fishland, as well as this, I got Galaxy Projector, which is quite cool. See, you can barely read that. HD lens, dual camera, real-time map, convenient folding, cool LED light, large capacity battery, photo and video, and app. The app will be quite useful because I assume you can view what the camera sees while you're on your phone, which I think will be quite cool. And yeah, I just want to get into it now. Oh, it comes with like a nice case. So you know, I just have to keep putting it back in the box. It's got its own like little drone case. I hope it comes with instructions because I don't have a clue what the app is. I mean, there's a micro USB cable, because it's micro USB. There's a little screwdriver thing. There's the drone itself. It's really light. You probably have to put batteries in it. Oh, I don't know how well that will fly. I don't know what that is. And there's the controller. Oh, it's all going to need batteries, isn't it? That's annoying. Let me just get out the instructions. Download and install mobile app. Android, scan the QR code. Okay. We'll see what dodgy app it gets us to download. Some random Chinese app. Connect the power supply of the module. Is that what that is? Will it come with charge? Let me open this bag then. Oh god, I ain't got a clue what needs to go on where. Why does it not come fully built? Why are the instructions to build it not in English? So you put that in there like that. Does it just turn on? Or does it need to charge first? I hope it doesn't need to charge first. I'm very impatient for this. Oh, it ripped. That's annoying. Oh, it's a button. Oh, it still needs charging. So I've got some batteries in the controller. I've put the drone on charge. I haven't let the battery charge for as long as I probably should, but I'm really impatient. So I'm just sort of going to hope that it works. Oh, there's a light on it. So how do I connect it to the app? Please connect to drone Wi-Fi. Right, so I'm going to assume... Oh no, it's just disappeared. Where's it gone? It just said it here. It said Wi-Fi UFO. Yeah, it is Wi-Fi UFO. Right, so the camera's not very good by the looks of it, and it's very delayed, but let's go outside of it. I'll probably lose it, but it's fine. Oh, I just knocked it over. So yeah, when I was using this in my garden, I managed to lose it. It went about 3 houses across the road on their front lawn. So luckily it didn't go in anyone's back garden. But obviously it was my fault that I lost it. But there is some things about this which is like why I lost it, sort of. It's obviously quite cheaply made. It is quite light. And the problem with it being really light is the fact that once you get up in the air, if there's a big bit of wind or even just a little bit of wind, it will just take it with it, which is how I managed to lose it. There's a bit of wind, it went in my neighbour's garden, and the controls for this, they just don't really make sense to me. So they go like that. So that goes up and that goes down, but I was trying to get it down, it just wouldn't go down. And then like that's to move it side to side. It just doesn't really work very well. So I wouldn't buy this, but considering it's for free, I mean, it's fine. But, you know, so because I got it for free, I wouldn't be, like, really upset if I lost it. But obviously, it's just, like, it'd be nice if it was heavier and more solidly built so it didn't just get taken away with the wind and you could get more control over it. And, like I said, you will have seen from that clip, it's got a camera on it at the bottom. You can either have it facing down, so like when it's up, you can either have it facing down like I did, so when it's up in the air you can see straight down, or you can have it like that, so it goes straight forward. The camera quality is not very good, but I mean, you would expect they're obviously going to put more of the money into the actual thing. But also, it connects to your phone to stream the video over Wi-Fi, and the problem was, which made me struggle to find it, is the video cut off. Literally, it went, like, it was up in the air and it went into next door, and then I managed to get it back up and the video just disconnected, so I couldn't even see where it was to try and bring it back. And it's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so really I would have thought it would have gone quite far. But no, it didn't, so I did sort of struggle to get this back. I was lucky it didn't land in anyone's back garden, otherwise it would have been more difficult. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.
Temu.